Hi everybody! After moving to the San Francisco Bay Area over a decade ago, we continue finding interesting places that we've never visited. Sometimes, those hidden gems surprise us to the point that we decide to share our experience on this YouTube channel. This time, it was a small beach right under the famous Golden Gate Bridge. The unpaved road leading to the beach is locked, and only the lucky few who secure a spot in Kirby Cove Campground can use their vehicles to reach this place. The rest of us have to hike for about a mile down from the vista point at Battery Spencer. Right on the shore, there are abandoned military installations. Clearly, it would be an excellent spot to shoot enemy ships point blank. The fog, which is rather common at the entrance to the bay, adds a mystic tone to a landscape dominated by the silhouette of the gigantic bridge hanging over the large mass of moving water. The body of a whale washed ashore, apparently a long time ago, makes the scene even more surreal. We found a baleen, a filtering apparatus whales use to strain small creatures from the ocean waters. The row of plates is made of keratin, the same substance our nails and hair are made of. By the way, a distinct geological feature of the area is the occurrence of chocolate-colored rocks called radiolarite or radiolarian chert. It's a sediment that consists of remnants of the radiolarians, tiny planktonic animals with silica skeletons. We saw plenty of outcrops along the pass to the Kirby Beach and Conzelman Road, which many tourists and locals drive along to get amazing views of the Golden Gate Bridge and San Francisco. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye!